Good morning, meteorologist John Homenuk here with Empire Weather. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Just an update on the weather pattern as we go through the next couple of days. We have a full long-range video coming out today, so this one just breaking down the ongoing conditions this morning. Not difficult to see where our frontal boundary is as of this morning. Draped throughout the Ohio Valley and into parts of the Central Plains. We have a thunderstorm complex coming through parts of western Nebraska down into Colorado. And otherwise across the northern plains, it's actually a pretty pleasant morning with not too much going on. Same can be said for much of the southeast states. We do have a couple of storms ongoing in the Appalachian Mountains, but across the southeast we're doing okay. Many areas picked up a good amount of rain here over the last couple of days from western Kentucky and Tennessee into parts of Illinois, Indiana, and Missouri. If we go check out the NAM model for the rest of the day today, we can see the development of additional showers and storms anticipated. First across Colorado, parts of Nebraska into western Kansas today, and then additional thunderstorm complexes across parts of Kentucky, southern Illinois later today and into Thursday morning. This map valid for Thursday morning at around 10 a.m. And you can see the storm systems and precipitation draped really from Kansas through Missouri into western Tennessee and Kentucky. That'll continue into Thursday with multiple waves developing along this front. Really beneficial rains for parts of the Central Plains here, as well as parts of the Ohio Valley, as this frontal boundary serves almost as a highway for the development of these storms. Here's a precipitation total. Don't take this exactly, but more as for an idea as to where the front will be. And you can see it exactly draped here through Kansas, southern and central Missouri, and then in southern Illinois, Indiana, and most importantly, parts of western Tennessee and Kentucky that have really needed the rainfall. Temperatures over the next couple days will remain cooler than normal across the northern plains and the Great Lakes. This front sinks down southward into the southern plains, even parts of Kansas, getting into the below normal temperatures, which they will take. It's been way too warm there. And then the cooler than normal conditions all the way into the Ohio Valley and even the Northeast this weekend, continuing as that front sinks down southward. But it's going to be on borrowed time, and that's because a ridge is going to rebuild across the central United States by early August. You can see the ensemble here, the European ensemble, picking up on that widespread warmth that develops by the first couple of days of August. And if we look at the ridge positioning, you can see exactly why. This ridge is centered right in the central United States here, which is further to the east than it had been before. It'll eventually start to back up to the west, but this is a broad area of ridging across the central United States. And so models, in addition to the warmth, are starting to key in on the possibility of some dryness as well. But there's a lot to figure out here with where these storm clusters are going to be, and if the model interpretation of this is correct. We're going to break it all down in today's long-range video coming up later this morning. For now, have a wonderful morning. We'll talk to you guys very soon.